My name's Debra Church. Life was pretty hard for me. I was diagnosed with MS in '95 and I couldn't work. I didn't have my needs met and life was really hard for me. About 4 years ago, I contacted Salvation Army and I told them I needed some help. I couldn't change my bed. I couldn't make my bed up. So they changed my bed for me. Then they looked around asking if there was something else they could do. And we, of course, talked to God. My needs have been met. 2 years ago, I went to Salvation Army. And they asked me if I had toys for my grandkids, and I didn't. I couldn't afford things like that. So what did they do? They invite me down there and let me choose gifts for my grandkids. I've stayed pretty close contact with Salvation Army because I'd go there for food, companionship, and they kept close contact with me. Anything I needed, they're always gracious, offering any help. They've been back out a couple times helping me. They brought me Thanksgiving dinner, enough for a crowd. God's been good to me. Salvation Army is one of my blessings. I continue to help them. I ring bells. I love ringing the bells. I can't say my life's hard anymore. That sure doesn't fit my life. Bless. There isn't a whole lot I can do. I can't work. I sure can't even pick up children. I can't pick up a baby. But I can ring bells. So if you're sitting at home and you're thinking, I can't do anything, the first thing to do is get on your knees. Thank God for what you've got. And look for a way to give back to people. It's a wonderful feeling. So, can't walk, can't talk very well, can't lift things, you can ring a bell. You can all ring a bell.